it's any second will just come up on your screen now, and it's a flat start. For index which were showing signs of momentum, there is very little activity, both for the Nifty and for the Sensex and for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty made a new high yesterday, nothing big in terms of a follow-up I think is there. The advanced decline ratio 1:3, which is looking promising, so it's a promising start for the market breadth as well. You don't have too many newsmakers, but you want to start with Reliance, IDFC Bank and Infosys just to establish that is money coming back in some of these heavyweights. I'm afraid not. Reliance is flat, HDFC Bank is flat, and Infosys also is flat. Bajaj Finance has done exceedingly well in this market comeback. So FIs have bought Bajaj Finance, they've not bought into, for some strange reason, HDFC Bank, and that is the one where I think our performance really continues. Asha?
Right. Okay, in the meantime, some of the other stocks which are going to be reacting to their earnings. IRCTC, there's been a 2 rupee dividend that they've announced, 100% that is. But the internet ticketing revenues have come in flat and there's been an EBIT decline as well. IRCTC down about 2%. Recall 2 years back, this was one of the most haloed and fancied and frenzied stocks. RVNL as well. So I just want to basically, bring up that entire cluster of the railway names, because even RVNL, the profits have slipped about 5% on a year-on-year basis. EBITDA 2 is lower by about 8.3%, and RVNL 2 is down about 3% as we speak right now. A disappointment coming in from Heidelberg Cement as well, from Shriram Properties, Campus Activewear too, wherein the EBITDA is lower by 28%, and there's been a fair amount of margin shrinkage as well. Campus will just come up for you on your screens, 4.6% lower for Campus actually. There's also Torrent Power, which has come out with a disappointing set of numbers. On the other hand, good numbers or guidance at least coming in from Sobha developers. They've they've seen the best ever quarterly sales in the fourth quarter, and the net debt is now at an 11-quarter low. Sobha gaps up 7% as we speak right now in trade. NBCC2, the EBITDA has risen 43%, and the margin also has seen an expansion of 70 basis points. A good set of earnings coming in there. There's NHPC2, the EBITDA has shot up almost 73%, so a big move for NHPC. Specialty restaurants as well, the margins have risen about 500 basis points. Hikal Logistics, Vijaya Diagnostics, these have all come out with a good set of earnings. Even Stovecraft, we've been talking about as to how this entire urban story of, kitchen upgrades have been playing out. But Stovecraft has not delivered such a great number because it's posted a net loss this time around of 6 crores versus a profit in the same quarter last year. That's gap down 10.5% as we speak right now. This TCNS clothing as well, which has also fallen short of market expectations. It's a loss versus a profit on a year-on-year basis. Flat for this stock as we speak right now. And flat for the market as well, but 18,600, so no complaints really. Kunal, any individual stocks that you're punching trades on?
Well, that will be IDFC First Bank, both in terms of the options as well as in cash. I think it looks very attractive, trading at 70 levels for the IDFC First Bank. Looks very good for a target of 78 over the near term.
Okay, IDFC First Bank getting a thumbs up from Kunal. Naresh, what's the first trade you're punching in?
So that's a buy on Tata Power. The stock has given that range breakout about 215. Could be a start of a move towards 245 to 260. So that's a stock which looks interesting.